Welcome to my new video. NCERT solution for class 11th English Hornbill. We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. इसके पहले हमने फर्स्ट चैप्टर करा चुके हैं, वाला चैप्टर आप देख लीजिएगा जाके। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, लिस्ट द स्टेप टेकन बाय द कैप्टन फर्स्ट टू प्रोटेक्ट द शिप व्हेन रॉ वेदर बिगेन। सेकंड है, टू चेक द फूडिंग ऑफ द वाटर इन द शिप। इसका फर्स्ट का आंसर है, in order to protect the ship from raw weather, the captain decided to slow it down, so he dropped the storm jib and lashed heavy mooring rope in a loop across the stem. Then they double fastened everything and went through their life raft drill. सेकंड का आंसर है, लेरी एंड हर्ब स्टार्ट पंपिंग आउट वाटर, द कैप्टन stretched canvas and squared waterproof hatch covers across the gaping holes. When the two hand pumps blocked and electric pump short circuited, he found another electric pump, connected it to an out pipe and started it. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड है इस अध्याय का, डिस्क्राइब द मेंटल कंडीशन ऑफ द ओयाग्स ऑन 4th and 5th जनवरी। आंसर है, ऑन जनवरी 4 मतलब जनवरी 4 जनवरी के दिन। द ओयागर्स फेल्ट रिलीव्ड आफ्टर 36 आवर ऑफ कंटिन्यूस पंपिंग आउट वाटर। दे हैड देयर फर्स्ट मील in almost 2 days. Their respite was short-lived. They faced dangerous situation on January 5. Fear of death loomed large. They were under great mental stress. Question number 3. Describe the ships in the narration of the events indicated in 3 sections of the text. Give a suitable title to each section. Answer है, the first section describe a peaceful journey from Plymouth, England to 3,500 kilometers east or Cape Town, Africa. The narrator is relaxed and full of confidence as the weather deteriorated. The faced gigantic waves. They took precaution to save themselves and struggle with a disaster. The narration becomes grim, but it eschewed the fighting spirit, confidence, and strong willpower. By the morning of January 6, Wave Walker rode out the storm, and by evening they sighted he Amsterdam, Iceland. The narrator is now relaxed. Joy, relief, and complete confidence are apparent. The suitable the subtitle to each section is Section 1 Cheerful Journey, Section 2 Facing the Wave, and Section 3 Searching the Iceland. Were not afraid to die. Talking about the text के क्वेश्चन आंसर हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, what difference did you notice between the reaction of the adults and children when faced with danger? Answer, there is a lot of difference between the way in which the adult and the children reacted when faced with danger. The adult felt the stress of circumstances but prepared themselves of the face of the danger situation. They took sufficient precautions to protect the ship when the raw weather began. They occupied everyone with lifeliness, waterproof clothes, and life jackets. Larry and Herb worked cheerfully and optimistically for 3 days continuously to pump out water from the ship. Mary replaced the narrator at the wheel when the deck was smashed and steered the ship. Question number second है, how does the story suggest the optimism help to endure the direst stress? Answer है, the story suggests that optimism certainly helped endure the direst stress. The behavior of 4 adults during crisis bears it out. Larry Weasel and Herb Sigler were two crewmen as the mighty waves smashed the deck. Water entered the ship through many holes and openings right from the evening of January 2. Larry and Herb started pumping out water. They worked continuously, excitedly, their continuous pumping that they reached the last few centimeters of water on January 4. They remained cheerfully and optimistic. यहाँ तक भी आंसर कर सकते हैं। इसके बाद है व्हील फेजिंग एक्सट्रीमली डेंजरस सिचुएशन, द नरेटर डिड नॉट लूज हिज कवरेज, होप और presence of mind while facing problem. He did not worry about the loss of equipment. यहाँ तक आंसर है इसका। क्वेश्चन नंबर अब है वर नॉट अफेयर टू डाई, शॉर्ट टाइप आंसर है ये। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है व्हाट डिड द नरेटर plan to do, what preparation did he make for it? Answer: the narrator planned to go on a road round the world sea voyage on the same pattern as Captain James Cook had done 200 years earlier. For the past 16 years, he and his wife had spent all their leisure time developing and improving their skills with work related to travel on the sea. Question number second है give a brief description of the narrator boat. How had the narrator occupied and tasted it? Answer है the narrator's boat was called Waywalker. It was a beautiful 23-meter long and 13-ton wooden hulled ship. It had been professionally built. They had spent months fitting it out and testing in the rawest weather they could find. Question number 3 है how long did the narrator plan his voyage to last? Answer: the narrator had planned his round the world journey to cover 1,05,000 किलोमीटर in 3 years. Question number 4 when and with whom did narrator begin his voyage? इसका आंसर the narrator began his sea voyage in July 1976. He had his wife Mary, 6-year-old son Jonathan, and 7-year-old daughter Susan with him. They set sail from Plymouth, England. मैं जितने आंसर क्वेश्चन करा रहा हूँ पूरे याद कर लीजिएगा, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है, यहीं से परीक्षा में क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है whom did the narrator employ and why? When did he so do? दो क्वेश्चन है यहाँ के, इनका आंसर सेम है। द नरेटर एम्प्लॉयड 2 crewmen, American Larry Vigil and Swiss Herb Sigler, in order to help them tackle the southern Indian Ocean, which is known as one of the roughest seas of the world. He engaged them before leaving Cape Town. Question number 7 how did they celebrate the Christmas holidays? आंसर है they were 35 kilometers east of Cape Town on 25 December. The weather was very bad. Still, they had a wonderful holiday complete with a Christmas tree. New Year's Day saw no improvement in weather. So thank you, आपने पूरा वीडियो देखा। अगला वीडियो बहुत जल्द आएगा, लास्ट की वीडियो देख लीजिएगा जाके। हमने 11th के साथ 12th की हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों का कोर्स चालू कर दिया है। आप वाले वीडियो भी जाकर देख लीजिएगा यदि आप 12th पे हैं। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच।